Here we have the Hamadryas baboons from the Oakland Zoo. These creatures are naturally found on the African continent in Somalia, Ethiopia, and Eritrea. This species also populates in Yemen and Saudi Arabia, where they live in close association to humans and were probably introduced into that area by the ancient Egyptian Empire. Their habitats usually consist of subdeserts, alpine grasses, meadows, plains, and shortgrass savannas. Hamadryas baboons are omnivores, typically feeding on grasses, roots, nuts, insects, grass seeds, and small invertebrates. Some common predators include leopards, hyenas, and eagles, although many of their natural predators no longer exist in their habitats. This diurnal species is highly social, partaking in a multi-social structure. The typical organization is one male who aggressively herds multiple females and their offspring. These males maintain exclusive reproductive status to the mature females. They also become aggressive with the females to maintain this power. When males take over a unit, females become more sexual, trying to obtain closer bonds in order to protect the new leader from killing their infants. 2 or 3 of these units come together to form a single clan and are usually close genetic relatives of one another. Then, 2 or 3 clans can form a single band which exhibits stable membership. Multiple bands can overlap when it comes to sleeping sites, such as cliffs or rocks. As I have learned from close observations, these extraordinary creatures are optimal foragers. Each time after the baboon ate, they would either dig for more food or walk to another spot. Although most of the time, they would walk to another spot. It is predicted that the animals did this because after eating the available food in one patch on the grass, they would move to another to find food there. This can be linked to the optimal patch model, and that after the baboon had diminishing returns from one spot on the grass because they had already eaten most of it, they would move to another spot. Although a single spot on grass does not equal the whole patch, we can still see a trend like the model predicts, resulting in these baboons being optimal foragers. Here we find these 2 baboons allo-grooming, social grooming between members of the same species. Grooming is a major social activity and a means by which animals who live in close proximity may bond and reinforce social structures, family links, and build companionships. Listen close to hear the screeching of a baboon after aggressive confrontation to a dominant male.
They're all over there.
We just witnessed an aggressive confrontation between 2 males, not lasting long because one male ran away and the other went right back to foraging.